Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice story from SmartRoots Learning. Today's story is called The Magic Pencil. Listen carefully and enjoy. One morning, Daniel found an old pencil in his school desk. It looked ordinary, but when he drew a picture, something strange happened. He drew a small bird on his notebook. To his surprise, the bird lifted off the page and began to fly around the classroom. Daniel gasped with excitement. He quickly erased the drawing, and the bird disappeared. Later, he drew an apple. Suddenly, a shiny red apple appeared in front of him. He laughed and took a big bite. Daniel knew the pencil was magical, but he also realized he had to be careful. He promised to use it wisely and only for good things. That day, the pencil became Daniel's little secret. Thank you for listening to The Magic Pencil. We hope you enjoyed this story and practiced your English listening skills. Don't forget, you can download the free worksheet for the story from the description. See you in the next listening practice.